I warned you a long time ago, Elizabeth, not to name this ministry after a man or a woman, even before there was a ministry. I put it in your spirit, for none of this has been done by your hands. None of this has come forth from your mouth. It is from the mouth of YAHUVEH that has given birth. It is from the mouth of Yahushua Mashiach that has been given birth. It is from the mouth of the RUACH that has been given birth. If it had only been by your hands, it would have failed long ago. It is by the Shekinah glory's wind that blows across this earth. The holy wind of revival. It is not by your breath, or it would have failed. In 2009, I'm going to shake everything that can be shaken. If you're not built on the solid rock, you're going to be built on sinking sand. It'll be as if it's quicksand, and you'll go under. I'm testing my bride. When I told you to go, you went. You did not say, but why do we have to go? You but just obey. I am the commander-in-chief. You are not to question my orders. You are to go where I say go. You are to stay where I say stay. You are to walk when I say walk. You are to run when I say run. You are to speak when I say speak. You are to be silent when I say be silent. You are to war when I say war. You are to be at peace when I say peace. Never say I will not do something. For I, YAHUVEH, will confound you. Do not assume you know my will. Instead, find out my will. For the faithful and the true. These are the words of 2009 that I give you. And although it's not 2009, this part will be posted before the world. Only through the name and the blood of Yahushua Mashiach will you be able to stand. Again, I say everything and anything that can be shaken will be shaken. So be prepared now, as I warned you in 2008. Take nothing for granted. Take not your water for granted. Take not your food for granted. Take not your income for granted. Take not your house for granted. Take not your family for granted. And the family are those who belong to the body of Yahushua Mashiach. For you will find your worst enemies can be found in your own household, to your own bloodline, but not to the bloodline of Yahushua Mashiach. This is your true family. These are the ones who will not betray you. parina nakata, sorina nakata. You're coming close now, sorina nakata. As to the days of the Holocaust, soko 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 yana nakata. Learn the lesson well, soko yana nakata, parina nakata. To those who survived, soko 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 yana nakata. To those who were not caught, soko 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 yana nakata baki, sarina nakata. Your allegiance is to YAHUVEH koyana nakata bakina nayana nakata, sarina nakata. Not to the laws of a man, soko soyana nakata. If they do not line up with what I say, soko 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 yana nakata, throw them away, soko 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 yana nayana nakata. You know what the word says, soko 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 yana nakata, parina nakata kayana nakata baki, sorina nayana nakata, sorina nayana nakata baki, soko 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 yana nakata bokoto, sorina marina nayana nakata baki, soko soko yana nakata bokoto, parina nakata kayana nakata. For I will tell you to do what you think not, soko 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 yana nayana nakata. I will tell you to say what you think not, soko 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 yana nakata, parina nakata kayana nakata, sorina nakata. I will hide you in a way you think not, soko 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 yana nakata, parina nakata, siayana nakata, sorina nakata bokoto koyana nakata, sorina nayana nakata bokoto, sorina nayana nakata kayana nakata, sorina mayana nakata koyana nakata bokoto, sorina nayana